So currently, I'm working a full-time internship as an operational analyst, which, to no one's surprise, is a 9 to 5 job. I'm enrolled in 2 upper division business courses at my school, which consists of an extraordinary amount of group work. I am also a part-time YouTuber making amazing content like this for you all. And I'm also a team leader in one of the biggest student organizations at my school. But in my day, I still find time to be able to spend 2 hours at the gym, cook 3 delicious meals for myself, socialize with my friends, have some time to myself later at night, as well as get 6 hours of sleep. Now I know what most of you all are thinking. How do I get this much time in my day? Essentially, we all have the same 24 hours, of which I'm spending about 8 at work and 6 at sleep. So what do I do with the 10? How do I get this much done in the 10 remaining hours in my day? Well, the answer is just 2 words long. Or in short, it's just one word. And the answer is artificial intelligence, or AI. This has made my life so much easier on so many different levels because I find time to do so many other things in my day. Essentially, I let AI do most of my automated tasks and focus on tasks where I'm needed. And I wanted to pass this tactic on to you. So today I'm going to be covering different AI tools that have made my life easier, each having a different purpose. Some of these I use at work, while others I use at study. Now I know what you all are thinking. AI tools, are they going to take over our lives? Well, absolutely not. Think of them as your trusted companions who are always by your side to provide that extra boost of brain power and extra support, maybe some guidance as well. From automatic analyzers to mind-bending creativity boosters, I've handpicked the best so you can make the most out of your journey. Now, before I begin, I'm just going to let you know that all of these AI tools are linked in the description below. Number 1, QuillBot. Trusted by over 1 million users worldwide, this writing enhancer is a dream for students. It not only helps you rephrase your paragraphs, but it checks your grammar, helps generate citations, as well as detect the tone of your writing. QuillBot is often used in a wide range of writing scenarios, including academic writing, professional writing, creative business writing, and everyday other writing tasks. It basically aims to assist users in improving their writing fluency, coherence, as well as its overall quality. But if you do decide to get the premium subscription for QuillBot, you can unlock their plagiarism checker as well, which scans your document and compares it to millions of other sources on its database. But as you can tell, its most popular feature is paraphrasing. That is why I do not personally recommend getting its premium subscription. I personally only use its free subscription for rephrasing my paragraphs. Its key features include word choice enhancement, adjusting levels of formality as in your writing, as well as generating citations. Number 2, Consensus AI. Now this is an interesting one. Consensus AI is basically a search engine that utilizes scientific research to answer your questions. It is completely free with a few benefits that are in the premium subscription, but I personally still use its free subscription, so I would recommend you do that as well. It does have a 40% discount for students though, so that's neat. But the findings on Consensus AI are based on evidence from peer-reviewed studies. What this essentially means is that the results published on this website have gone through extreme scrutiny, have been critically evaluated by experts in the field, and it contributes to a body of knowledge in that field. Therefore, the research that you find on the search engine will be quite accurate, or at least for the more common topics. It is relatively new, so some searches don't end up giving the best results, but it is quite promising. Its key features include having peer-reviewed studies, as well as a feature called synthesizing. What this feature does is that it analyzes multiple papers on this results page and gives you a consensus rating based on those, so you can make better decisions on which study to use. Number 3, Tome AI. Now this is one of my favorite AI tools to use at work and in my classes because I've got to make hella presentations and storyboards for both. Now this applies to the projects that I'm carrying out at work or even the business cases that my professor assigns to me in my classes. Now with Tome AI, you can create beautiful stories by picking out the templates that you want and instructing the AI to build the whole thing for you using only commands. It's got numerous options to choose from, such as create a page or create a whole presentation for yourself, and you can go absolutely ham with the customization options. And these range from simplification or adding a Figma tile, or even looking for images from the web. And this is just one piece of the pie. Another amazing aspect that Tome has within itself is that it allows storyboards and presentations to be published and shared publicly within the platform, fostering a community of readers who can discover, enjoy, and provide feedback on the stories created within that platform. The key features of Tome include effective and simple story and presentation builder using simply commands, a community to learn and share from, as well as the crazy customization options. Number 4, resume.io. Now, this is a tool that I highly recommend and one that I've used myself in the past. Just like its name, resume.io is an online platform that provides tools and resources for you to help create a professional resume and cover letter. It offers a user-friendly interface and a range of different customizable templates designed to meet the needs of various industries and job positions. So you have a lot of choice here. Resume.io offers both free and premium subscriptions, where the free version provides very basic features such as access to a limited number of templates, but the premium version here is a little more appealing because with this, users can gain access to additional features such as more templates, unlimited downloads, a cover letter builder as well, and the ability to save and edit multiple resumes. If you're really struggling with building your resume and landing an interview or even a job, then I would really recommend getting the premium subscription for this because I have done so myself in the past. Its key features include having a cover letter builder in addition to a resume builder, can export to either Word or PDF, and that it can provide content suggestions during the process of you building your resume. Number 5, AskYourPDF. You know, there have been times when all of us have been put to the boring task of reading a 30-page long article or a journal just to identify the important points and make a presentation about it, whether at work or in class. And you're just sitting there dreading every second of the reading. Well, next on our list is a tool that'll make your life way easier. This is an AI-driven text analyzer tool, which might sound super fancy, but simply put, AskYourPDF can extract any helpful information from any PDF document that you upload on it. It also makes the content super easy to work with and understand, and you can even ask it questions on the content that you uploaded, and it does a great job in giving very quick and accurate answers. Its key features include being a massive time saver, of course, the fact that it can provide a text analysis with a summary, and of course, having keyword identification. Number 6, Otter AI. Now, this is an absolute lifesaver to the point where I actually pay for its premium subscription, but I'll get into why I pay for its premium subscription later on. But first, Otter AI is a popular AI transcription-based service which uses AI to convert spoken language into written text. So now you've already probably figured out why I pay for this. I use this at work when I have about 3 to 4 meetings daily of about 2 hours long, for which I must be present to provide my insights and listen to the meeting as well. This is one time when I cannot make quick notes, so I need something to do that for me. And the only solution is Otter AI. The best part about Otter AI is that I can actually connect this to the application that I have my meetings on. For example, Zoom or Microsoft Teams or even Google Teams. Something important to note for Otter AI though is that the accuracy of transcription is based on how loud, how crisp and clear your audio is. Sometimes it might misinterpret or completely miss out certain words if they're not clear enough. Its key features include speaker identification, transcript editing, as well as the fact that you can import transcripts on it. Number 7, ChatGPT. Now our next AI tool is highly useful and efficient in whatever you ask it to do. Common student-based tasks such as writing assurance, content clarification, research and information gathering, as well as something like idea generation are quite easy to do on ChatGPT. Now ChatGPT, like other GPT models, have been trained on a diverse range of internet and text data to learn patterns and relationships between words and phrases, which in very simple words means that it can answer any relevant and ridiculous question that you might have. For example, one of my own ridiculous searches on ChatGPT was about creating a song with Lil Baby lyrics and a Bad Bunny beat. I'm not sure how well it's done on the beat, but the lyrics sure bring out the heat. Now, something you need to note is that ChatGPT's data has been trained only to September 2021. So if you ask it about anything recent, it might not give you the best of answers. Now, something a lot of people also don't know is that with ChatGPT, you can use an extension called AI PRM for ChatGPT. This extension has over 1.6 million downloads, and it essentially gives you curated prompt templates for almost anything that you like to do on ChatGPT. For example, it can help me write a whole article with proper language and format in just one click. Now, ChatGPT's key features include contextual understanding, phenomenal language support, as well as multi-turn dialogue, which means that it can handle multi-turn conversation. Number 8, Adobe Firefly. So now lastly, we've come to our final AI tool, which sets itself apart from others. Unlike the previous AI tools that I've mentioned, those have specific applications. This one encourages creative thinking. This one enables you to go beyond your conventional boundaries and unleash the full extent of your creativity and imagination. Initially launched as only a web beta in March 2023, Adobe is now expanding this and incorporating this into its more popular editor called Photoshop. Now, this is going to be absolutely revolutionary because editors will now be able to create and edit images using Firefly's generative fill. This will enable users to easily expand images and manipulate objects simply by writing text-based prompts. Now, these are some small examples of images created using Adobe's generative fill. But it is important to note that this is absolutely far from perfect. While it does an amazing job at filling up the backgrounds, it sometimes messes up with the foreground. Sometimes it'll create generative fill images in a way that doesn't already feel natural to the existing images, but it still does a pretty good job at what it does. So Adobe Firefly's key features include its availability in Photoshop, working as a creative co-pilot, and that it works surprisingly quick. And there you have it, the top AI tools that every single student should know about. Now remember, these tools are not here to take away and replace your hard work and dedication, but to support and enhance your educational journey. So go ahead, explore them, leverage their power, and let them take your academic experience to a new height. Thank you for joining me on this exhilarating journey today. If you enjoyed this video, remember to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more captivating content like this. Remember to ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep striving for excellence, stay curious, as well as pursue your dreams. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.